Hello everyone, today let's talk about TG oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and this color is red-brown color. We also have black color parts. This size is internal diameter is 35, external diameter is 62, and the sink is 12. This oil seal has many following features. The first one is organized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened skeleton. This oil seal has skeleton, so it's very strong, and we can provide the customer the service. We can customize this size and this color, this material, this type. We all can customize them. If you like this, just send us our inquiries and we can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.